Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is to help you guys explore Honda's third-row vehicles, okay? We're going to be comparing the Honda Odyssey with the Honda Pilot right over here. Normally, we wouldn't be comparing these two, but you know, I want you guys to make sure you guys have all the information you need for you guys' family vehicle, okay? You guys want more detailed walk-around? Check out my walk-around videos. I'd be glad to show you all the cool standard features and functions from there. Now, let's go get you all the information you need to make that well-formed decision. Hey guys, let's start from the beginning here with the biggest question of all. What is the price range on these vehicles? Right up here for the Honda Odysseys and right over there for the Pilots, all right? Now, we have to also take into consideration when your pricing is going to be depending on the trim level and then the color too as well. Honda does have additional color charge for selective colors, okay? Now, for your entry level here for the Honda Odysseys, we're going to be talking about the LX is your entry, then you have the EX, EXL, then the Touring, then the Elite. The Elite's the big one, okay? Then as we get over here towards the Pilots, we're going to be talking about entry level is going to be the EXL, the Special Edition known as the SE, and then we have the Touring, the Elite, then the Black Edition, okay? Now with the Honda Pilots over here, you have an option between a two-wheel drive and an all-wheel drive option. Over here is just the two-wheel drive for the Honda Odysseys. Now, they're going to have the same engine. It's going to be a 3.5 V6, all right? So, but now the transmission is going to be a little different. Odyssey is going to come standard with the 10-speed automatic transmission, while the Pilots come standard with the 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's talk about the towing capacity here quick. Towing capacity of a Honda Odyssey is going to be 3,500 pounds. Over here, for a two-wheel drive, it's 3,500 pounds, but an all-wheel drive option is going to be 5,000 pounds, all right? So that's going to be pretty nice. Now, let's talk about the fuel economy. Let's throw the fuel economy right up there for you guys. You can take a moment, take a look at that. Now, you're going to be occasionally obviously taking friends, family, pets, whoever's brave enough to tag along with us in this family vehicle, right? So let's throw the interior measurements right up there. Take a moment, pause the video. I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts. Which one's going to best suit your guys' particular needs, okay? Now, let's talk about cargo space. Let's throw that right up there. Obviously, the van's going to have a lot more cargo space, so keep that in mind. If you guys are doing more of family trips, coming back with more stuff than you left, happens all the time, trust me. Now let's talk about passenger volume space. We'll throw that right up there. Now, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop your questions down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. If you guys are looking for some additional information on a particular trim level, check out my walk-around videos. I'd be glad to show you guys all the cool standard features and functions, all right? Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys at the next video.